What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to Dust, Rust, and Water. Drop your socks, grab your thoughts, and let's head back to the
We have never been such a seafaring nation as we are today. There are more than 560 little ships at the 10th International Boat Show, and you can give your imagination free rein.
Imagine 1984. Nordic had the opportunity to throw Mercury Racing's 565 package in this boat. I wonder how it would have performed. Well, we're going to find out after T-Custer Marine's done installing it in the next few weeks.
How about the Bahamas? It's perpetual sunshine, on the sea, in the sea, fathoms below. A real paradise if you own a boat to get you there.
I want to first off say thank you to all my subscribers, to all the views, to everything that's happening on the channel. It's happening exactly as I wanted it to. Thank you. We got the motor coming in about 2 weeks, 3 weeks possibly. You guys noticed it's got the throttle body. I forgot what system it is. It's the affordable air, I believe it is. But it's a pretty simple system. Should have it out in no time. I really haven't had a single problem with this boat other than the fuel pump, which wasn't that big of an issue. Went to O'Reilly's, ordered it, and got it out, replaced, and was back on the water the following weekend. Anyway, a lot of people have been asking, what exactly am I doing? Well, basically the boat hasn't had a single issue other than the fuel problem. So, with that being said, it's in good condition. And I decided to go ahead and upgrade the motor and drive on it. I'm going to go ahead and put the Mercury Racing 565. I had discussed everything with Josh over at T-Custer Marine before I made the purchase, and it was this or the 600, and I thought for the money, I'm not, full of money, so I had to make a choice, and I decided with the 565. It's a well-built motor, and it's everything that I'm looking for to complete this build. And then I'm going to do everything on the inside of the boat. Not that it needs to be done, but there's some changes that I want to make. So anyways, you guys can drop some comments and let me know what you think about the build so far. Why I keep calling it a budget build is for the simple reason that I have a budget on it. So far, I'm within the budget, but that doesn't mean that I won't run into errors and other stuff. Maybe Teague says they need something done differently. I don't know. But we will find out in due time. But for today, we're just pulling the motor out and getting everything ready. My daughters and I pulled the drive yesterday, and my brother gave me a hand there at the end. I had a bolt or a pin that was stuck in the side of the drive. Had to get it out. Anyways, I grew up all my life working on stuff with my dad. I built my own truck back when I was 16 with some friends from high school. It was pretty fast. Little Red in the back. That's the one we're gonna get built for this boat. Imagine that at the lake. Little Red and this Nordic tied together. Color schemes won't match, but the nostalgic look and everything else that goes with it, well, the cleanliness and everything of the boat is not me. It was Grandpa Jerry, the guy before me. Thank him very much for taking care of this boat so that I can get it in the future. I know some people are wondering why this particular setup, why not rebuild what I have? Well, basically, as problems occur in the future, I'm gonna run out of places to find parts when and if this thing was to break down. But since it hasn't, I plan on taking this motor. Since it's running good, I'm going to take off everything on the top here. I've got a couple carburetors and a tunnel ram system over at my brother's house. But I'm going to throw a carburetor on here, run it, see what it looks like, and from there we'll probably maybe build this thing, see what it's got, you know, in the future. But for now, it's perfectly fine, so I really don't want to mess with it. Sorry guys, I underestimated the height of this whole situation. Nice. Come on down, honey. Come down. Come down. Good. Come on down, honey. Yep, right there. Hold that. A little bit more. Right there. That'll work. All right, honey, come on down. Down, 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 down. Down, good. Down, good. Down, down, good. Okay, now, that'll definitely hoist it up. Okay, go ahead and pick slow. Put some tension on. Keep tilting. Yeah, keep tilting. Perfect. Because it's going to tilt it out forward. Yes, ma'am. Come on up, honey. Yeah, tilt it. Keep tilting. Tilt and come forward. Whoop. Yeah, you got it. You're good. Yes. Good. Come up. Very slowly. Come up. Yep, you're clear. Keep coming. Keep coming. Nice, honey. Good job. Motherfucker. Yo. No, keep coming straight up, but level it. Keep coming up and go down on your right. On your right, yes, just like that. Yep. Is it clear? Okay, can I step back out? Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and back up real slowly. Well, I just want to hold it because it's just right there. You got the motor. Come on up, or come on back. Yeah, up a, no, go straight back, drive straight back. Good job, honey. Straight back. Straight back. Nice, keep coming. Keep it coming. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Come on, bring it down now. Yep. Go I'm gonna shut this camera off, bring it down. Bring it down, I'm gonna shut this camera off and I'm gonna bring the engine stand over. Go ahead, bring it down. Bring it as low as you can. My wife just did that shit. Pretty cool. I don't trust many people on a machine around me. Yeah, my wife, my kids, my brother and I got the ignition to take out, bell housing, transom, trim pump, throttle cable, steering cable, maybe the fuel tanks, but other than that, she is ready to go. Super excited. I don't look like it. If I got any more excited, I couldn't stand up, if you know what I mean. So I'm having a small issue with getting the flywheel cover and this ring separated. I've got everything else loosened up all the way around and it's all gonna fall apart. But these two items, I can't get them apart from each other. And I know that's not blocking it, but I don't know if it's just under pressure, that gasket that's holding it really tight that's deep in there. I'm not sure, but I did look on the diagram in the book and it shows that if I take the bolt that was holding it on this hole right here, sorry about that, the one that's holding it right here and was holding it here, well, if you move it into this one and the other four that are around, or the other three, then it's supposed to pop that ring off. So I'm gonna give it a try. We'll see where we end up. If this other trick works here, I'm praying here. Hammy, stop beating that shit. Yeah, I stopped last night, tearing this thing apart because this thing was giving me a problem. So I pulled out the diagram and oh, it's working. Nice. Nice. Let's see. Oh, ah! That's awesome. That's awesome. Heck yeah. Heck yeah. Wasn't exactly how I wanted it to come out, but see, I broke the bolt off in the shadow there. That one got broken, but otherwise I can't believe it was that easy just pulling out the the book on it. Now I'm gonna pop that exhaust off and pull her out. This thing should be able to just kind of lift out of here. I've already taken off everything else. And that's all she wrote. All this stuff is going to be for sale. And I took it out with the utmost care. All the hoses, everything. Well, I think she'll be all right. Well, we'll know Monday. Got a couple more pieces to take off. The pump, hydraulic pump, steering cables, a couple more things. I know she needs to be waxed, that's for sure. I have a couple spots, like right there, one right there. We're gonna get that fixed. Get the trailer done. We are gassed up, the boat is strapped down, and we are headed to Teague Custom Marine. If you've made it this far, thank you very much. I hope you've liked the video. Subscribe to the channel. There's a lot more coming in the future, and it helps out tremendously. Well, thanks for watching. Talk to you guys later. Actually, better yet, enjoy the ending of the video. Not everything goes good in everybody's world. Sometimes we all run into problems. Super excited. Just dropped the boat off. Actually, didn't drop it off. Just got done doing the paperwork and everything over here at Teague. Just got done talking with Josh and Bob. Very much excited. Had a problem on the way over here. Kind of sucked ass. I blew a leaf spring, the axle to ride. So I had to jerry rig it on the side of the road for I think about 8 miles or so, give or take. And I'll show you real quick what we're working with. Ain't that some shit? Problems, but we made it. We're gonna get the tire fixed, leaf spring fixed. We'll be back up and running in no time. Thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned.